All right, so once you have gone through the iPad and deleted the unnecessary pictures, this is the iPad folder, go into View, go into Details. So you'll now see the date that each of the pictures were taken. So what you will do is you will go into the folder that you created for your iPad, and you are going to create a new folder. So right-click, New Folder, and then you are going to label it with the general date. So the next group of pictures is March 2016. So I'm going to rename that folder, right-click, Rename. So March 2016. Then I will double-click on that folder. Then I am going to go back to the iPad folder, click on that first picture file, press the Shift key, and then I will select by clicking on the last March picture. So that will select all the March pictures from 2016. Next, I am going to drag them over into the March 2016 file. You'll see the status. When you get green checks, you will know that they have transferred. Once you have those green checks, you will go back into the Apple folder and then click on the Delete key on your keyboard. All right, so now I have all those green checks, going back into that iPad folder and clicking the Delete. So I'm deleting the ones off of the iPad, not from the desktop. So now then, it is just a rinse and repeat. So again, I'm going to go back in here, right-click, go down to New, select Folder, double-check my dates. This looks like March 2017 is the next one. And again, clicking on that top file, Shift, and then selecting the next 2015, or 17, sorry, moving that over, waiting for those green checks, and then I will go back and delete. So just rinse and repeat that process until all the pictures are deleted from the iPad.